Level 7 task. Extend your bassline to 4 bars. So, what I've done is taken my 2-bar bassline. Then I've pressed Control C to copy. And I've gone to bar 3 and pressed Control V to paste, or you can right click and paste and copy it as well. So then here's 4 bars. Now, the second bars, I can then double click here and I can make a little change in a second. So on the first time it does this. So I can just change some of the notes. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Can do something like that. Get rid of that one. Okay, you can do something like that. Alternatively, you can just practice and then record and extend it. And record something else. So I'll show you that technique as well. So go to bar 3. I'm going to hit record. Okay, and this recorded different 2 bars as well. Control quantize that. Okay, I haven't quantized that quite well. Let me zoom in a bit more. Quantize that. Okay, and there we have it. We have 4 bars. I'm gonna merge the regions, and then we have 4-bar bassline.